build flavor on your baked beans. Smoke them uncovered so they get that little bit of crust going on top. I'm gonna take 1 pound of breakfast sausage, put it in here, let it start browning up. Breakfast sausage just gives these beans so much flavor. It browns up nice. You know, you're gonna have a little fat left, which is perfect for sauteing the vegetables that I'm gonna put in these beans. I have seen some people throw in the onions and the peppers when they're browning up the meat. I don't like to do it because I want the meat to get really brown. When you introduce those vegetables, they're immediately going to start cooking out moisture. See those little brown bits? That's what I want that sausage to do. So you don't have to get it on all of it, but as long as we're getting some of that browning effect, that's what I want to see. We're just going to take our sausage out of the grease. That's just enough grease in there from that sausage to saute the vegetables. And the reason why I want to saute them is I don't want all that moisture in my beans. And when these vegetables start to soften up, they take on flavor, especially when you saute them in a little sausage grease. That's about a half a sweet onion and a whole small red bell pepper. Really just sweating them down, just kind of light saute. If you want to give it a little barbecue flavor, season it with a little bit of rub. I just got some of my The Barbecue rub. You could use whatever you want, but I just like to give those vegetables some seasoning. That's about all the moisture. See, we don't have any excess moisture in the pan. Once that cooks off, I'm going to take our sausage, remove the paper towel, then we're going to take our vegetables here and just put them over here with our sausage. Now we need 2 of the larger cans of just regular old Bush's original baked beans, but drain them really good. We don't want the excess moisture. We're going to add our own barbecue sauce to it. So we're just going to dump these beans in, start getting it combined now. Fold the sausage, the vegetables in with our cans of beans. Now, let's doctor these beans. This is the way my mama did it. She'd take a little yellow mustard, about a tablespoon, several dashes of Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce. Use your favorite kind. I'm using my Killer Hogs hot sauce today. Then we need some seasoning. Going using that same barbecue rub that I put on the vegetables. Now in the South, my mama sweetened them up. So I've got some light brown sugar, about half a cup. We're going to add that to these beans. That sugar will melt, give them a nice, sweet, kind of caramelly flavor. And baked beans have to be saucy. I found this Sweet Baby Ray's today. They were buy one, get one free for $2.69. I'm going to squeeze the entire bottle because you want it a little saucier than you think because we're going to reduce that sauce down, caramelize it. That's what really gives it a good flavor. And y'all know what? Since I had that other bottle of sauce, I'm gonna make them even saucier. Nearly $2 worth of sauce in this batch. Now all we gotta do is get it all stirred together, get that sauce incorporated. It's a little soupy, but that's okay. Now, I'm gonna cook these on the pit, 275. So the beans have been beaning for about an hour. See how they're starting to develop some little color on top? That's what I want to see. Now they ain't nowhere near done. Now you just want to stir these beans about every hour. Incorporate that little caramelization that's happening on top. These beans have been smoking about 3 hours, and look what that pit and all that smoke does to them.